Castner Glacier, Alaska, located about mile marker 217 on the Richardson Highway. When you arrive, you can go to the left or to the right. The left is fairly easy. You can almost drive up to the glacier. The right is not nearly as easy, and so this is the way we chose today. Either way, it is about half a mile hike to the glacier. The glacier itself is approximately 11 miles long and half a mile wide. Beautiful hike, swift running water, pretty much the entire way. Because the water is flowing out of a glacier, it is not uncommon to see ice chunks floating downstream, scattered along the sides of the banks. As we approach our first small side cave of the glacier, this is a great spot to mention that glaciers are inherently dangerous. If you are new to Alaska or just new to glaciers, I advise that you find yourself a great guide like this little guy right here and explore the beauty of the glacier safely. After passing several small ice caves, we finally descended upon the main entrance into Castner Glacier. Whether you took the right path or the left, you're going to end up at this spot, and this is going to be your entrance into the cave. Generally, this path is always muddy and filled with loose rocks, so please watch your step and be careful. Before I take you into the cave, I thought I might show you some footage from this past winter, so you could compare what it looks like in negative 30 to 40 degrees and presently. If you enjoyed this adventure, please hit the subscribe button. And if there is a feature in Alaska you would like to see next, comment below. Let me know.